My name is Jill McCormick, and today I'm going to demonstrate the proper way to run a phenobarbital test using your Catalyst Dx. Before you begin, make sure you have the following supplies and equipment on hand: a Catalyst Dx and IDEXX VetLab station, a phenobarbital slide, a Catalyst slide wash, a patient sample, serum, plasma, or whole blood. For our purposes today, we have already collected whole blood and transferred it to the whole blood separator and initiated the run on the IDEXX VetLab station. Once the patient's name appears in the pending list on the Catalyst Dx home screen, tap the patient name and tap Select. Select the sample type. Whole blood, plasma, or serum can be used. Select the Phenobarbital Special Slides checkbox. If this button is unavailable, please upgrade your system before continuing. See Slide Wash Calibration Snippet for instructions. Important! If you do not select the Phenobarbital Special Slides checkbox, you will not receive a phenobarbital result. Tap Next. Follow the on-screen instructions. Open the tip and diluent drawers. Fill the tip drawer with pipette tips. Place the Catalyst slide wash into the dilution cup. Note: the unit only fits into the instrument in one direction. Rotate the cup and try again if you are unable to place the wash solution in the dilution drawer. Do not remove the foil from the slide wash. Close the tip and diluent drawers. Tap Next. The sample drawer will open. Place the phenobarbital slide and sample vessel on the loading bay. Important: do not load any other slides with the phenobarbital slide. The test must be run by itself. Tap Run. During the analysis, a red hourglass appears on the home screen, indicating that a phenobarb run is in process. You must wait for this icon to disappear before running another patient sample on the analyzer, or opening the tip diluent drawer. When the slide wash is complete, a message will appear on the Catalyst indicating it is now safe to remove the slide wash. Open your diluent drawer and dispose of the slide wash. It is important to note that the slide wash cannot be reused. Tap OK. The test results automatically transfer to the IDEXX VetLab station for printing and sharing with clients, and will be electronically incorporated into the patient record. For additional information on how to run, interpret, or order the phenobarbital test, please visit idexx.com/catalystdx.